Welcome to Gyanlok. I am Sagar Kumar. In today's video session we will talk about what is Angular CLI and how to install it. Guys, Angular CLI stands for Angular Command Line Interface, which is used to create Angular apps. The Angular CLI makes it easy to create an application that already works out of box. I always recommend to use Angular CLI while creating Angular application, as you don't need to spend time on installing and configure the project while using a Angular CLI with Angular project. So you wondering what I mean to say? Please look into this picture. As you see on your screen, we have two pictures. One without Angular CLI and next one is with Angular CLI. We see the difference between these two. First we discuss without Angular CLI. When we use an Angular project without Angular CLI, you need to download the quick seed which is required to use Angular application. Then extract it, then edit the configuration files according to your project that you needed, then get started with Angular. The same thing while you using Angular CLI, you only need to install Angular CLI and create a Angular project. As you see, we have a command to install Angular CLI is npm install -g Angular CLI. This command will install the Angular CLI in your local system. For this you need to download and install the nodejs in your system. If you don't have any idea how to install, you need to look into my previous video where we are try to install the nodejs in the system. So come to the Angular CLI. While we using a Angular CLI in Angular project, we only need to install the project using Angular CLI. This will automatically provides all the configuration automatically that required for the Angular project. So this is the difference between the without Angular CLI and with Angular CLI. Now we will look how to install Angular CLI in your system. To install a Angular CLI, you need to install nodejs first to your system. If you don't have any idea how to install nodejs, you have to watch my previous video for the nodejs, where we install the nodejs in your system. So as you see, my system has already have a nodejs. To check it, we try to open my command line and type nodejs node-v. This will show me the version of node that we have installed. The version is 8.10.0. Now we have to install the Angular CLI. So to install the Angular CLI, we need to type npm install -g @angular /CLI and type, press enter. This will start the installation of Angular CLI in your system. This will take some time to install. As you see on the screen, the installation of Angular CLI is beginning. It will take some time. You don't need to do anything till it will finished. I pause my video. As you see on the screen, the installation of Angular CLI is finished. Now you need to create Angular project using Angular CLI. For this you need to type ng new and then application name. Suppose if I want to give my application name, suppose I give to name it my first application, so then we need to type first app here and then press enter. This will create a new Angular CLI project for us. This will take some time while installing packages for the project which is required for the project.